Hello YouTube, welcome to my new video. In today's video we're going to talk about 5 facts about me, and I got a little list here about 5 facts about me, and yeah, let's begin. And my first fact is that I was raised bilingual. I was born in England and raised in Germany. I have 2 passports, as you can see, an English and a German passport, and yeah, that's my first fact. And it's really nice to speak both languages because English is like a word language and German is a very hard language. Like it's totally different, and to speak both languages, like wenn du Deutsch sprechen kannst, ist es immer sehr gut, but when you can speak both, it's even better. So I'm very fortunate and I'm very happy to be able to speak both languages. And my second fact about me is that this was actually last year. Last year, as you can see, I traveled Canada solo. I've lived in Canada. I really had an amazing time, and let me just get my flag, just a second. I'm back. So basically, this is Nova Scotia. This province is part of Canada, and it's at the east coast of Canada, and it's really beautiful, and I've lived there for how many months? I think about 6 months, and it was amazing. It's right by the ocean, it's a beautiful place, and it was home. So that's my second fact about me. Oh, my third fact about me is that I'm left-handed. I write with left, I play table tennis with my left hand, and my fourth fact about me is that I'm a very organized person. Because probably you know, when you don't write to-do lists, you're all over the place. Yeah, I need things structured, otherwise things will just go and that's why I always do to-do lists, like on my whiteboard, for example, or I just write it down like I did right now. I need things on paper so I can remember. I also advise you, like when you do photography or anything in that particular area, write down what you need for the shoot, what gear, write down before the shoot, oh, do I have everything? Do I have my SD cards, my batteries, my camera, my lenses? Do I talk to the client or to the model, hey, how are you? Are we shooting today? Is it today? Are you coming? Like, it's always good to write things down, because then there's a plane coming. So another fact about me is, and this is a very personal fact, let me just get what I mean, just a second, I'm back. So yeah, this is my cat Monty, and I have 3 cats in total, and this is one of my cats. I live at my parents and I love animals. They're amazing. And yeah, Monty is a really nice cat. I also have 2 other cats, but I couldn't find them. Yeah, he was somewhere in the cellar, that's why I had to walk downstairs. But yeah, he's really nice, and I love animals to bits because they can listen to you. And yeah, so yeah, thank you, Monty. Let me put him down. Yeah, these were 5 facts about me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can subscribe to my channel, ring the bell of course, and yeah, see you in the next video. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to bring you on my journey, and yeah, you take care.